In this video, I want to talk about a technique that I learned from a director on YouTube. And it is a way of investigating the character that you play. So this is a great video for actors and directors and acting teachers and coaches. And it's a great little exercise. So come right back. So I recently watched this video of this director that had this kind of revolutionary way of directing his students and the actors that he directed in shows to explore the character a little bit further. I'll put his link up above or in the description below. I can't remember his name offhand. The idea goes like this, and this is an idea that actors and directors can both utilize. In acting classes or when you're rehearsing a show, often a director will ask you about your character, right? So say you're playing a character named Bob, and Bob is having an argument with Sylvia, and the director says,
"Why is Bob acting this way to Sylvia?"
And initially an actor might say,
"Well, I think Bob doesn't like Sylvia because he feels guilty about an affair that he had, and so everything she says reminds him of that guilt."
And the director will say,
"Stop, no, I want you to answer as the character."
So when you work as an actor, you always want to put yourself in the first person, step into your character's shoes and answer as the character. So you might say,
"I, Bob, feel guilty about an affair that I had, and so everything that Sylvia is saying to me is getting me, making me feel guilty, and then that's why I'm reacting to her that way."
So that's kind of how how directors direct and stuff. So that's kind of how directors ask their actors to talk. But this director goes a step further, and he wants the actor to embody the character and not answer the question as an actor would answer it with all of the information in line and all of the psychology behind it and figure it out, but answer as the character. And the director would not be asking the actor playing the character the questions, but would be asking specific questions to that character. So the director or teacher might say,
"Bob, why are you angry right now?"
And Bob would say something like,
"I'm angry because she's frustrating me."
"Well, why is Sylvia frustrating you?"
"Well, because she's just getting on my nerves."
"Well, why is that getting on your nerves?"
"Well, I don't know, because she just annoys me, and I feel like I got to get out of the room."
You see the difference there? Bob isn't admitting that he cheated on her. Bob isn't admitting that that's what is causing the guilt. So Bob is answering truthfully as the character, and the director is just asking questions straight to Bob, not to the actor behind Bob, and not to Bob as a character being played by the actor, but to Bob. So by doing this, the actor discovers more about the hidden biases of a character and the behaviors that a character is operating on and the influences that they're operating on that are maybe not the character is not aware of. And just by having a conversation between a director and the character themselves can create all sorts of flash bulbs in the mind of both the actor and the director, and can clarify about a lot of things. So I think this is a great technique to just sort of have a question and answer time with the character in character. And it's something that I haven't seen a lot of in my travails as an actor. So give that a shot next time you're directing a show or working with a group of actors, or even if you're just preparing for a character. Have somebody sit down and ask you questions about your life and about your past and about what you're doing right now, and that can help you define your character a little bit better. And if you want to help me define my character a little bit better, pop on over to my Patreon page and sign up. It's real cheap, real inexpensive, and you get lots of fun perks. You get to know me a little bit better, get to see a little bit behind the scenes of this channel, and your support will be ever and greatly appreciated. And you'll see some videos on your screen right now. I recommend those, and there's some links to click as well. So click them. Have a good day. Talk to you later.